Okay, so ANN gives us signals daily. What is this? AUD. Do I have any tools in here? Let me have a look here quickly. If I can get this to show me things that I want. Not sure why my work trading view doesn't show me the same thing as my trading view at home. Very strange. Historical price lines, that's one thing that I needed. Just give me a second, guys. Otherwise, I'm just gonna have to do all of this manually. Okay, well, I guess we're doing it manually then, right? Let's have a look here. So, where did our week start? So ANN, basically from the Zoom meeting that we had over the weekend, and I've confirmed with the developers, is ANN's bias or projection. I'm going to try and see if I can paste a few up here so we know what it looks like, right? Let's have a look here. Can't really. Okay, I'm just going to run through them. They are posted in the Discord. So on Monday the 22nd, AUDUSD bullish confidence 95%, right? So we'll head on over to Monday here, and I just want to point something out because there's a lot of guys that are using this tool, I think, incorrectly. And then so what I want to do, especially on the Saturday that's coming up, and I'm posting the link tomorrow, is if you guys want to hop on Saturday, we will run through all of the entry models that you would need to use ANN with, because ANN is not the be all and end all of trading. So basically what ANN is, it revolves around midnight New York. So that would be here, right? That would be midnight New York. And ANN's calls, so a bullish confidence of 95% would mean that the expectation before, now listen to this carefully, right? The expectation is always before 4 p.m. New York time. That is the day that ANN uses, and it's all based around where will AUDUSD in this example close before 4 p.m. New York time on that specific day. If it tells you there's a bullish confidence, it means that the expectation is that ANN or AUDUSD will close above midnight New York by 4 p.m. You see that? So there's 4 p.m. here. And if you have that in mind, and if this is midnight New York, and the classic ICT model is you don't long above midnight New York and you don't short below midnight New York. So you're always shorting above midnight New York and you're always longing below midnight New York. If you have that in mind and you add all of your other New York Open, any other FEGs and models that you may use, and I'm going to run through them on next week, it means that if you got into, or if you are looking for a trade and the bullish confidence is 95 or 96%, it means I'm looking for longs to above midnight New York. That's all that it is, right? So you can see if I'm looking for longs down here, then I'm riding it to anywhere above here, right? So Monday, that was the AUDUSD. Tuesday, bearish confidence of 85%. So what we do then, we hop on over to Tuesday. We look for midnight New York Tuesday. It would be coming in somewhere there, right there, which means the expectation on Tuesday is that price will close below midnight New York by 4 p.m. So I'm coming into the market on Tuesday on New York open, which is around here. You can see that there. And I'm looking for lower pricing. And if you are looking for lower pricing, then the ideal entry would have been above here. On New York open, you'd be looking for a run on buy side. CSD, dealing range created, pullback, short, target the lows or lower, right? And all before 4 p.m. So this particular bias was correct for the day. So that's Tuesday. I'm just going to run through them quickly. Wednesday took us to bearish again. 93% bearish confidence on Wednesday. So if we go on really quickly, hop on over, look for midnight New York is here, if I'm not mistaken. Here, right? And 4 p.m. is on Wednesday is all the way here. Again, bearish confidence on Wednesday the 24th is 93%. Again, I'm going into the market looking for shorts. If I'm not still holding my shorts on Tuesday, then come 8 a.m. you're looking here, right? We're looking for any entry models that will form around here for us to go lower, right? I'm not going to talk about a specific entry model right now, but you can see they got this one right on Wednesday as well, which puts us price closing below midnight New York on Wednesday. There's something that I want to speak about, because if you understand ICT and if you understand weekly profiles, then ANN is actually telling you when the low of, like indirectly telling you when the low of the high or high of the week is in, right? So if Monday it was bullish and then Tuesday, Wednesday it trades lower, it means that this is most likely a Monday high of the week. Now if on Wednesday, and then our week generally is capped around Thursday, so on Thursday we could expect lower pricing and then Friday retracement. So let's have a look at what we're dealing with really quickly, just to end this off on the ANN side of it, right? There's midnight New York around here, right? 4 p.m. on Thursday is here. And this is the 25th, right? The 25th, it was bearish again. So again, if you understand weekly profiles, Monday high of the week. So price opens, trades high on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday trades lower. And you can see here, midnight New York here, price traded lower and closed below midnight New York on Thursday. And then if you understand your weekly profiles, you would know that Friday generally retraces and then the market closes off, making your weekly candle look like this, which is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Friday went low and then retraced, and then Monday went high and retraced. So it would leave your weekly candle looking something like that, right? Dojis on either side and then the candle bodies between. So a smart way of using ANN to figure out where the low or the high of the week is. So Thursday they got it right, and then Friday bullish confidence 64%. So anything above 50% is good, anything above 75% is excellent. If we knew that the weekly profile was a Monday high of the week, like I said, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday goes lower, and then Friday retraces, then of course we'd expect price to move higher on a Friday because Friday retraces. So Friday, let's look at Friday midnight New York, right here. And 4 p.m. actually came in here. Oh, how's this?
Can you make a down projection on daily basis?
Yes, we can.
From Tuesday on?
Yeah, we can.
Or Monday?
We can. Let me just finish this off. Yeah, so there's midnight New York here. Bullish confidence 64%, which means the expectation is that price closes above midnight New York by the end of the day, which is 4 p.m. And especially if we have in mind, remember, Monday high of the week, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday caps the week, Friday retraces. So you had there, where does it close? Yep, above midnight New York on a Friday before 4 o'clock, right? So they got it right every day this week. Now, yeah, that's one. This is how you should be using ANN based around midnight New York. And coming on the weekend is where we're going to show you. Legally, they're not allowed to, and this is not what the business is about, because you would, or they would expect you to have prior trading knowledge and your own personal entry models. But what I'm doing this week would be showing you guys my personal entry models and how you could use it with ANN and the signals that they give you. All right, and I'm going to end the ANN stream right there.